This is my audience, Wendy and Josue. Don't cross your eyes, they'll get stuck that way. Many of us have heard this when we've been little, crossing our eyes. Our parents would tell us, don't cross them, they will get stuck that way. But what is the truth about crossing your eyes? Will they get stuck the way? The truth is that many parents say it so many times that even they come to believe that this is a true fact. But the truth is about crossing your eyes, that they will not get stuck that way. And today we're going to be taking a look into the reason why. And the first thing that we do need to do to take a look into the reason why your eyes will not get stuck is take a look at the anatomy of the eye. Now, the eye is controlled by muscles in your body that cannot get stuck in one position. These muscles are like any other muscles in your body. They contract and they expand, and you use them on a daily basis all the time. These muscles in your eye, once again, just like any other muscle, can get tired and become fatigued. Just like if I were to run, my legs would get tired and fatigued. Also, when these muscles do get tired and fatigued, they also do become harder to control, and it feels like a burden. It becomes heavier and weaker, and there's not that sense of control that there was before. A good example of these muscles being harder to control would be going to the gym and lifting dumbbells or curling dumbbells just like this. Lifting them up and bringing them down, lifting them up and bringing them down. The reason I give this example is because if I were to lift dumbbells of a weight of 15 pounds until my arms were to become tired, and from then I tried to do a push-up, it would be very difficult for me to do the push-up, and it would be very difficult for me to control my arms, their movement, and the strength of them. And this is the same thing that happens with your eyes, and once again we will take another look into that. And another reason that we need to consider when thinking about why this wives' tale is not true would be what exactly makes your eyes cross, and what exactly impedes them from being stuck in that position of being crossed. Now, one thing that does make your eyes cross would be that the certain muscles in your eyes, they do the job of keeping focus in your eyes. When light enters, there's muscles in your eyes that expand your pupil or contract your pupil, so you will be able to see correctly and focus. These are the same muscles that also allow you to move your eyes simultaneously like this at the same time. Now, one feature that they do have is they can also make you look into your nose at the same time like this. Sometimes this could seem like one is crossing their eyes. What actually is happening is these muscles in your eyes are making both your eyes look at your nose at the same time. This causes confusion in your brain, which ultimately leads to double vision. And when the double vision does take effect, your brain is sending out the wrong signals to your eyes. Thus, it makes your eyes appear to be crossed. When your brain is sending out the wrong signals to your eyes, you can lose control of your eyes, and it is a whole lot harder to control the movements of them, as well as to use your eyes for any function. Now, when they do appear to be crossed, and the double vision is taking place, it is a burden on your eyes, and can make it very hard to see. But the question is, can you correct your eyes? And the answer to this question is, yes, it is possible to correct your eyes. Just like the muscles in my arms, after lifting dumbbells, I still can lift the dumbbells. I still can do a push-up. It's just going to be very much harder to control my muscles. Same thing in your eyes. When they are crossed, they may be fatigued and tired, but you still can bring them back to a normal position. It just will be very much harder to control them. In conclusion, if you were to cross your eyes will not stay crossed at all. They will become tired and harder to control due to the signals being sent to the brain, but they can be fixed. So all in all, if you are a parent, please don't tell your child that their eyes can get crossed and stay that way.